Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can increase your borrow limit on Cash App. So let's get right into it. Now, I will be using this Reddit article simply because I don't have access to Cash App in my region, and this is pretty much the only way which I can use to explain everything to you guys. But let me get right into it without any further ado. Now, your limit is set for overdraft as well as pay for or buy first, pay later, and that is completely dependent on how much you use Cash App. One thing you do need to have is if you're planning on using overdraft, you do need to have an active Cash App cash card. You should verify your information, and you should have on a monthly basis at least $300 deposited into your account via direct deposit. And once you have that, you will be able to use overdraft. Now, your initial limit will be $200. As you'll see here, this person has $200 at the moment. However, pretty much as you can see, this person said here that the only deciding factor is how much or how regularly you keep using Cash App. If you use it regularly and make your payments on time and don't cause any trouble, your limits will increase pretty much the same as using a credit card. It's pretty much the same principle. You just have to use it and then pay off your potential debts that you might have, and after that you'll be pretty much set and your limit should increase. Some people increase that limit even up to $1,000, so it depends on how good you are using it. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.